Well, how about that? How's it going, guys? My name is Nick, you're on the Roadsway South, and thank you so very much for joining me on this not too early morning at the start of another breakfast run. And I'm just so excited to say that again, because actually the previous time we were sharing the road with cool cars like this was on a night run. And I think the previous time we had a breakfast run was months ago, so I'm very excited to be here. But just before we get to that, I want to show you guys the familiar faces that we've got on the channel again.
Hi guys.
James and Shenique. I'm not sure if the sound is too good now. How are you guys doing? Thank you so much for joining us on today's video.
Still alive, still going strong.
Yeah, I think the last time we saw James on the channel, and I think myself in person, was at the Beetle video.
Yeah, such a good day.
Maybe like 15 minutes in between. Such a fun time though.
Yeah.
So yes, as I was saying, we are joining a breakfast run today. I am very excited. And even though the group we are joining today isn't new on the whole car scene thing in Cape Town, it's the first time we're joining one of their breakfast runs. And if I'm not mistaken, they're called the SNJ Motorsport group. Please do go check them out on Instagram. I'm going to drop everything down below as usual. So even though they might not be as big as some of the SA Talk breakfast runs, they've still got a lot of cool names behind them. There's Supercar Den, DN Spots,
Down.
yeah, Disturbing the Pieces here and everything.
All those usual big guys,
Yeah, so we might actually have a cool day on our hands. Even more so if you look at the route. It's very far, but we are going along the coastal route on the way to
which is like
Kleinmond.
one of the best driving roads in South Africa.
Yeah, I think.
And we were speaking, it's not such a big turnout, but I think that's going to make it a bit more just intimate.
Yes, almost like the tuned in SA runs we used to do a while back.
Yeah, a bit more speaking to everyone, a bit more just up close action for a change.
I think the only thing on the flip side is it's very far.
Yeah.
I think one way is like over 100 kilometers.
Yeah.
So we're in for a big day, but maybe this time we'll actually have breakfast on the breakfast run at the end.
For change.
But yeah, we're gonna go check out some of the cars and then probably make ourselves ready for the departure. Cool, let's go.
Good stuff.
Just walking through the cars, I think it's always fun to see what we can find throughout the parking lot.
What turned up? I think this is the first spot I'm going to stop. There's a stunning 135i. Obviously I've got a massive soft spot for one, no reason.
I see he's got the angel eyes,
yeah,
the other tail lights, and also sitting on...
I think it's like M2 competition, replica wheels.
I was about to say that.
It's stunning, and it sounds proper.
The wheels actually don't look that out of place, to be honest. Back there we've got an F-type. Quite nice. Sorry for cutting you off there, James.
How dare you?
We do that so often. Another M2 there. Nice people. We've talked a lot to them. We've got 86 next to a Honda Type R there. Love these.
Yo, I love them.
It's so sad they're so expensive. I'd love to get behind the wheel of one of these.
So if anyone's keen,
yeah, hit us up. Some good advertising here. Just skipping through the people though. And then a nice bit of color there, the Hyundai Veloster.
You don't see them often in South Africa.
Quirky cool car. I'm not sure if you guys know, but they've only got 3 doors. Two on the passenger side, one on the driver's side.
Weird.
Yeah, very interesting. Why not?
And then a blue M135i as well with a set of stunning wheels.
Yes.
I think it's like M2 CS replica wheels, I think.
Yeah, let me just zoom in there. Yeah, those do look really good. We actually saw this car on the way here and it sounded very nice under load. He was short shifting but still on power, so it sounded quite nice.
And then obviously...
Yes, and I'm going to put him on the spot though. We've got Richard here with his GR Yaris, he just knows. Car's looking good, man. How's it going?
Pretty good. Excuse the hair, but that's always the issue.
It's a bit windy. I'm brushing mine every now and then as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, well it seems we've got another bit of color coming now. That is mental. That looks so good. That might just be my pick of the day. Sunburst Orange M3 competition. Whoa, wow.
That color though.
That color.
It's like a...
That Sunburst Orange that you get on the M2 comps.
I think so.
Yes, no offense, Richard, that's my pick. Yours is not. Yours is second. That is so nice, I must say.
M3s are nice cars, especially the E90s. Yeah.
Goodness. Yes, M cars galore, like we said. These are actually super scarce. To be honest, I thought it was just a normal Megane RS with the facelift, same as Stewart's, but it is actually exactly the same as Stewart's in the sense that it's a 275 Finale. If I remember correctly, Stewart said there's only like 7 of these in the country.
And you said he's got the only red one.
Yeah. As far as he's aware, he's got the only red one.
Crazy.
So yeah, very cool special car there.
And then another bunch of
M car, 335 I reckon, another M car.
Yeah, M4.
Oh, at least we've got a, is this a 45?
it's a 35.
A35. It still looks very aggressive with the canods there at the front, even though they're small.
Is that the aeroplane?
Yeah, and the spoiler and everything at the back. I do like that. A few more M cars. Very nice. I'm not sure if it's glacier white. I can't remember what that's called.
The grey one.
No, yeah, the M2 comp.
Isn't it like Silverstone grey or something? I'm
Maybe.
not sure.
Oh yeah, you're right. I'm thinking of McLaren.
Yas Marina.
Hang on.
Chaos.
Everything is revving.
Interesting.
That was a bit chaotic.
Yeah.
LED lights off.
Very sad to see the F-Type go there, but
honestly, best sounding V6 car on earth.
you were saying best sounding V6 car, yeah?
On earth, I think the F-Type. It sounds so good.
Yeah, and a very good bang for buck car as well these days.
Are. They're getting cheap these days as well.
Yeah.
Or cheaper.
Okay, it seems we're on our way now. There was no drivers meeting anything, so again, it's just super late notice and they're struggling to get in. But I think we're ready. Ne?
Nee, ja.
Those donuts. Those donuts, they're doing donuts. Look at all the people running.
Someone's doing donuts. Or at least a lot of skids.
It should be us though.
Now my car's cold.
Fair enough.
That's a bit better.
Oh, so good.
Hey, pulling off to the first stop here at the Winelands N1 station. We've been here many times in the past. This is usually also a nice and popular space where the breakfast run starts.
Yeah.
But now we've got that McDonald's. It's probably the most famous McDonald's in Cape Town at the moment.
Nice. It's got like the central location where all the runs start now.
And I guess now you can clearly see just how many M cars there are here. And DN spots there, hopping in another type of BMW. Very, very nice though. Yeah, Skittles all the way around. Black, orange, blue, white. Very nice. We've got a surprise visitor here. A nice blue Cayman GT4. How about that? I don't think he's part of the run, but he's definitely winning over here.
Not bad.
Okay, you get yourself buckled in. I'll take the camera from you for a while.
Okay, there we go.
How about that then? I think for a moment I forgot it's front wheel drive. I went to the rear wheel. Woohoo! Wow.
That's why we love M cars.
Well then.
Okay.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, it's always nice.
Don't make eye contact. Oh, how about that? Oh, it's from DJI Motors. I actually follow them on Instagram. I think that's where Disturbing the Pieces car is for sale.
Maybe he does a few revs for us.
Wow, how about that?
Sounds so good. Woohoo! Oh.
Another alright.
Special stuff.
Cool. So thanks to James there, we got some really cool action while I was in the bathroom.
Some exciting stuff happening here, as you can see.
And that's why it's good that there's always M cars involved in these runs.
They always make it a bit more exciting, I guess.
I won't lie, I would not do donuts on this. I have once before and I could see how it ate my tires.
It's almost like, what do you call it, skierpapier?
Yeah.
Sandpaper.
Sandpaper.
There's it.
High grit.
But it's always nice.
Yeah, it makes for a good video in my
The
opinion.
guys did proper donuts, so as you can see, proper car control and stuff like that.
And it's a little bit more worth it now considering the distance we drove. I must be honest, like at the end here I was getting a little bit
A bit tired.
and Depro because I thought we were the only cars that that are going to pitch up.
Because we came to the top and we saw there's no cars.
No cars at all.
Luckily they told us, oh no, there's cars down here as well. So we're good.
But yeah, as is clear, there are still quite a few cool cars here. GTI next to a Golf R, RS4, I think a 140 in blue there next to a Mini Cooper S. I'm not sure what the setup on that BMW is. I think it's turbocharged. It sounds proper. A45 next to that, swinging around the two red cars next to one another. I think a V8 Audi R8 first generation, and then my lovely 86 there. I think I blocked the road to this little nature walk there. I'll move it soon. Next to a very nice looking BMW M2. We know the drivers. Super cool oaks. You can see you're sitting on some grippy tires over there. And then houses for a cool view. Even more cars parked on the concrete jetty for the boats and everything. Next to the ocean back there. Such a cool sight though. And I must say the colors are quite nice. There are a lot of reds. We've got the yellow from the Veloster back there. And no, I think it's a cool day to be with cars. A35 there as well. I am actually very glad now we came all the way through. Definitely worth it, especially with the donuts there. What do you say, Brad?
The donuts were mad.
They were mad.
I wasn't expecting that.
Just for you guys behind the camera, DN Spots here, the main man, one of the biggest automotive YouTube channels in our country at the moment.
Yeah, no, appreciate it. Well, you the man. your vlogs are insane.
But I think it's a lot more effort than we get returned, which is but I mean that's just the way we like it. Are you glad though you came all the way through?
Yeah, no, super glad. A bit better than I expected it to be. Much better.
Yeah, same.
Yeah,
definitely. Especially at the end. I was expecting a big turnout and then people disappearing on their way.
Yeah, because it was quite slow at the beginning, but then it just progressed throughout the run, so it was quite good.
Definitely. Still happy. Cool. Well, yeah, it looks like we got you just in time for the donuts and some of the action. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but there is a police car moving in the background there somewhere.
Yeah.
There he goes. The blue lights are visible.
Looks like we're shut down, guys.
All the way in Kleinmond, still shut down. I'll be honest though, the only thing I'm stressing about is my license disc.
Expired.
It is. I renewed it, but I haven't fitted it yet. It's still lying at home. How stupid can I be?
Yeah, but I think they got all the attention. You should be fine.
Yeah, no, I'm feeling so dumb now.
But it was a nice way to end the run, eh?
Yeah, there's a good chance no one's going to do anything silly now.
Yeah, no.
So yeah, again, got you just in time. Thanks to James, we got a lot of the action on camera.
Hopefully it looks alright. Yeah, we'll see.
Right, so even though I've got no evidence at all, we had a very nice time at the restaurant at the top here just now. I'm actually very surprised how many cars are still left. We've even got the R8, one of the stars of the show.
Definitely one of the best cars here today, yeah.
Yeah, I'm really surprised they're still here.
Yeah, I think everyone's just enjoying themselves because it's such a beautiful day. They're just chilling.
You know what happened? I think even though the cops showed up and we were expecting people to leave, it's such a far drive. Why would you just go all the way back again? Maybe just stick it out.
Just stay for the weather and the nice food and everything.
So yeah, lots of nice food.
A lot. You should have seen the burgers. I think they were like, and we're not even exaggerating there. They had to, doggy bags were pick and pay bags. Crazy.
The stuff you see.
Yeah.
But I'm glad we came through. I'm definitely glad you guys came with.
It was a
I'm
fun
so
day.
glad to join again. It's been a while.
Yeah, and you motivated me all the way to keep on driving. We'll make it to the end.
We got this.
Yeah, and now it made for a really good video. So thank you to the organizers for putting this together, giving us a good send-off for the year. There's a good chance we might not make another video, who knows? But the year is reaching its end, as you guys know. So
A good way to end the year.
good way to end it off. And with that said, ending it off, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Give it a like.
Yeah, follow
Subscribe.
and subscribe. And we'll see you guys hopefully in the next video.
Okay guys, cheers.
Bye bye.